Hi guys, today we're gonna play Subway Surfers. Oh, just a second, let's just tap claim reward. Oh, never mind. Let's just go play tap it. Oh, look, all the trains are here. Oh my gosh. Ugh, ugh. Oh, I have a tutorial. Wow, but it's okay. Let's go French moves. Yeah, it's okay. That didn't right. Let's go! Oh, there's a flower tunnel. Whoa. Whoa. Oh. You rock. What does that mean? Whoa. Oh, elephant. Oh, W. Whoa. More coins. I want to be a luminario. Ready, guys? Ah! A train is going to hit me. Whoa, more trains. Whoa, 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 whoa. Haha. Oh my gosh. More trains. Oh my gosh. Just be brave if the train is a mission. Oh, score. Wait. We have score. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Ow. Oh, the train just accidentally died. Okay. Never mind. Let's go. Go get some coin. Huh. Oh. Oh yeah. Whoa. Ow. That is okay. A friend. New high score. I have more score, guys. Wow. Ooh. Okay. What is this? Yeah. Okay. Let's go. We're gonna be brave. Let's go. Yeah. Yeah. Yahoo. Let's go. The train is gonna hit me. That's why Subway Surfers. The police is gonna get you. Wow. No. Ooh, that was close. Let's get the letter E. Ah. Oh my gosh. Never mind. Oh. Trains. Trains. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh. Ooh. Parker. Whoa. Oh, station. Look, guys. Is this nice? Okay. Whoa. Oh, it's a flower tunnel again. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Ah. Ooh. Whoa, that was funny. My player just got hit by a train. That's very funny. Let's try it again. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Whoa, I got more coins. Ah, I never see that. That was very close. Ah, wow, whoa. Parker train. Whoa. I never get the elephant. Hello. Oh my gosh. Oh, what? Oh, I never see it. Huh. Okay. Wow. Okay. Oh, I have a score. Wow. Tap to continue. Okay. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe and like down below. Bye.